Moisturizers are essential for healthy skin. They hydrate, soothe, and protect your skin from environmental damage. But with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. In this video, I'll share my top picks for the best moisturizers you should buy based on different skin types and concerns. All the links to these moisturizers are in the description below, so check them out if you want to buy any of these. Let's get started with number 5. On number 5 we have Clinique for Men Moisturizing Lotion. It's a lightweight, all-free moisturizer designed for men with normal to oily skin. It's formulated to provide all-day hydration while strengthening the skin's barrier. This dermatologist-developed moisturizer is part of Clinique's 3-step skincare system for men, making it a popular choice for those looking for a simple yet effective skincare routine. Now talk about its notable benefits. Number 1. It is lightweight and all-free. The lotion's non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, leaving no residue and making it suitable for oily skin types. It's also hydrating. It is enriched with glycerin. The lotion provides long-lasting moisture without clogging pores. It's also skin strengthening. It is formulated with a blend of hydrating ingredients. It helps improve the skin's barrier function, making it more resilient against environmental stressors. It also provides soothing. It can help soothe minor shaving irritation and leave the skin feeling comfortable. Final verdict. Clinique for Men Moisturizing Lotion is a reliable choice for men seeking a lightweight, hydrating moisturizer. Its oil-free formula, quick absorption, and skin-strengthening benefits make it a versatile option for various skin types. If you have normal to oily skin and are looking for a simple, effective moisturizer, this product is worth considering. Number 4. On number 4 we have Jack Black Double Duty Face Moisturizer. It's a popular skincare product designed for men. It combines hydration, sun protection, and anti-aging benefits in a single formula. This moisturizer is formulated with a blend of natural ingredients, including blue algae extract and sea parsley, to nourish and protect the skin. Now talk about its notable benefits. Number 1. It provides long-lasting hydration. The moisturizer provides long-lasting hydration, leaving the skin feeling soft and supple. Number 2. It also has sun protection. It contains SPF 20, which helps protect the skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. It also has anti-aging benefits. The formula is enriched with antioxidants that help combat signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. It's also lightweight and non-greasy. The moisturizer absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. It's suitable for all skin types. It is gentle enough for even sensitive skin. Final verdict. Jack Black Double Duty Face Moisturizer is a versatile and effective product that offers a range of benefits. It is a great option for men who are looking for a convenient and all-in-one skincare solution. If you are looking for a moisturizer that hydrates, protects, and fights signs of aging, this product is worth considering. Number 3. On number 3 we have the Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. It's a dermatologist-recommended skincare product designed to soothe and repair sensitive skin. It's formulated with a blend of prebiotic thermal water, ceramides, niacinamide, and glycerin to help strengthen the skin's barrier and provide long-lasting hydration. Now talk about its notable benefits. Number 1. It includes prebiotic thermal water. This key ingredient helps to balance the skin's microbiome, reducing irritation and promoting a healthy complexion. Number 2. It also has ceramides. These lipids help to repair and strengthen the skin's barrier, locking in moisture and preventing dryness. It also has niacinamide. This vitamin B3 derivative helps to reduce redness and inflammation while also improving the skin's texture and tone. It also has glycerin. This humectant draws moisture from the air and into the skin, providing long-lasting hydration. Final verdict. The La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer is a highly effective moisturizer that is suitable for all skin types, even the most sensitive. It provides long-lasting hydration, soothes irritation, and helps to strengthen the skin's barrier. This moisturizer is a great choice for anyone looking for a gentle and effective way to improve their skin's health. Number 2. On number 2 we have Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. It's a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that provides intense hydration for up to 24 hours. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid, a naturally occurring substance in the skin that helps to attract and retain moisture. This gel cream formula is quickly absorbed and leaves no greasy residue, making it ideal for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Now talk about its notable benefits. Number 1. It provides intense hydration. The hyaluronic acid in this gel helps to plump the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Number 2. It is also lightweight and oil-free. This gel is quickly absorbed and leaves no greasy residue, making it ideal for all skin types, even oily skin. Number 3. It is also non-comedogenic. This product will not clog pores. Number 4. It is also fragrance-free. This product is free of fragrance, making it ideal for sensitive skin. It is also dermatologist-tested. This product is dermatologist-tested and clinically proven to be gentle and effective. Final verdict. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is a great option for anyone looking for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that provides intense hydration. It's also a good choice for people with sensitive skin, as it is fragrance-free and non-comedogenic. Now talk about number 1. Finally, on number 1, we have CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. It's a dermatologist-developed lightweight moisturizer that provides broad-spectrum UVA and UVB protection with SPF 30. It's formulated with 3 essential ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide to hydrate and nourish the skin while minimizing the appearance of pores and fine lines. This non-comedogenic formula is suitable for normal to dry skin and is fragrance-free, making it ideal for sensitive skin types. Now talk about its notable benefits. Number 1. It provides long-lasting hydration. The combination of ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide provides long-lasting hydration and helps to improve the skin's moisture barrier. Number 2. It also provides sun protection. Broad-spectrum SPF 30 protects against UVA and UVB rays, reducing the risk of sunburn and premature aging. Number 3. It is also lightweight and non-greasy. The lotion absorbs quickly and leaves no greasy residue, making it perfect for daily use under makeup. Number 4. It is also non-comedogenic. This formula won't clog pores, making it suitable for acne-prone skin. It is also fragrance-free. This moisturizer is ideal for sensitive skin types. Final verdict. CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion is a great choice for those looking for a lightweight, hydrating moisturizer with broad-spectrum sun protection. Its unique blend of ingredients helps to improve the skin's overall health and appearance while providing essential protection against harmful UV rays. This product is a versatile addition to any skincare routine and is suitable for a wide range of skin types, especially those with normal to dry or sensitive skin. So, there you have it, our top picks for the best moisturizers. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried any of these moisturizers? What are your favorite skincare products? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, all the links of these products are in the description, so check them out if you want to buy any of these. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.